Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Mrs. C, and in today's video we will be learning about the inverse of a function. The definition of inverse of a function is illustrated with f of x is equal to y, inverse function of y is equal to x, or vice versa. To apply this definition, we have an example. F of x is equal to 3x plus 2 over x minus 1. To solve the problem, first to do is to replace f of x into y and copy the rest of the equation. Next is to cross multiply x minus 1 to the other side, and when combined with y, we will have the equation xy minus y is equal to 3x plus 2. Next thing to do is to equate minus 7 to the right side and 3x to the left side, having a new equation of xy minus 3x is equal to y plus 2. To proceed, we have to take out the x from our left terms, leaving an equation of x to the quantity of y minus 3 is equal to y plus 2. Next thing to do is to divide both sides by y minus 3 to have a result of x is equal to y plus 2 over x minus 3. From this point, we will now going to substitute our x to y to get the inverse function. So we will have a final result of inverse of y is equal to x plus 2 over x minus 3. There you have it everyone. I hope you've learned from our video. If you have questions, clarifications, or objections, feel free to raise your hand on the comment section. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Till next time everyone, bye!